Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace after buying something. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Facebook Marketplace is a great way to find and buy used items from other people in your community. But it's important to be able to rate sellers so that you can make informed decisions about who to buy from. To rate a seller, you'll need to have previously communicated with them through Messenger. And this feature is only available when you buy and pay for something from that seller. To rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace, first, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile and open the Marketplace messages. To open messages, tap the three horizontal line menu from the top left corner and choose Marketplace. Now, open the chat box with the seller whom you want to rate. After that, press the More Options button from the top right corner and choose the See Details option. Sometimes, Messenger displays the Rate Seller option also at that time. Tap on Rate Seller. Now, scroll down and find Rate Seller under Seller Information along with the seller name. Finally, rate the seller as per your experience and press the Submit button. Take everything into consideration, from communication, support, product quality, etc., when rating. Generally, 5 stars represent excellence, 4 star means good, 3 star means fair, 2 star means poor, and 1 star means very poor. Also, choose an appropriate message before pressing the Submit button. This is exactly how you can rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips videos like this.